upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse with product comparisons that really matter. Today, we're comparing two powerful steam mops: the Gorfinti Steam Mop, a 10-in-1 multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner that's versatile and efficient, and the Shark S7001 mop, known for its ease of use and effectiveness. Let's find out which mop can transform your cleaning routine. Let's kick things off with the price. The Gorfinti Steam Mop comes in at approximately $139, which many users find to be a small investment for its versatility and effectiveness. Reviewers have praised its affordability and the professional level of cleanliness it provides. On the other hand, the Shark S7001 mop is a bit of a mystery with no clear price listed. Some might find that exciting, but for most, it's just a little frustrating. So in this category, Gorfinti takes the lead. Next, let's talk about versatility. The Gorfinti Steam Mop comes with a staggering 10 accessories, making it a true jack-of-all-trades for cleaning. Users love how effective it is on various surfaces, from floors to windows, thanks to its multiple attachments. The Shark S7001 mop, while effective, is primarily a mop and doesn't offer the same range of accessories. Reviewers have noted that, while Shark does its job well, it doesn't quite match up to Gorfinti in versatility. Gorfinti wins this round again. Now onto cleaning power. The Gorfinti Steam Mop boasts high-temperature steam that eliminates 99.9% of stubborn stains, and it only uses tap water. Reviewers have highlighted its effectiveness without the need for harsh chemicals. In contrast, while the Shark S7001 mop is also effective, it lacks the detailed specifications to showcase its cleaning power fully. Users appreciate its ability to handle tough spots, but it doesn't quite match the steam cleaning prowess of Gorfinti. Gorfinti takes this round as well. Lastly, let's examine ease of use. The Gorfinti Steam Mop heats up in just 20 seconds, making it super convenient for a quick clean. Reviewers are impressed by its lightweight design and flexibility, allowing for easy maneuvering. The Shark S7001 mop is reported to be easy to use, but detailed information on its usability is scarce, leaving some users uncertain about its overall performance. Given the glowing feedback for Gorfinti's ease of use, it wins this category too. Overall, the Gorfinti Steam Mop receives high praise for its versatility, effectiveness, and affordability, making it a favorite among users. The Shark S7001 mop is appreciated for its ease of use and effectiveness, particularly for pet owners, but it lacks some versatility and durability in comparison. Users seem to prefer Gorfinti for a more comprehensive cleaning experience. Thanks for tuning in. In today's comparison, the Gorfinti Steam Mop clearly outshined the Shark S7001 in price, versatility, cleaning power, and ease of use. If you're on the hunt for a reliable cleaning companion, Gorfinti is your best bet. But what about you? Which mop do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome product comparisons. Remember, product links are in the description below.